Welcome to Quality Management, Part 5, the final part of our PMP series. We will cover advanced quality governance, statistical interpretation, and strategic quality decisions. If you can score high here, you're operating at a true PMP exam level. Let's begin. Question 81. A project's control chart shows a single data point outside the upper control limit. What should the project manager do first? A. Adjust the process mean. B. Stop the process and investigate the cause. C. Ignore it because one point is insignificant. D. Increase the control limits. The correct answer is B. Stop the process and investigate the cause. Any point outside control limits indicates special cause variation and requires immediate investigation. Question 82. A product meets internal quality standards, but customers report dissatisfaction due to usability issues. What was most likely overlooked? A. Conformance to specifications. B. Fitness for use. C. Statistical process control. D. Inspection procedures. The correct answer is B. Fitness for use. Quality requires not only meeting specifications, but also satisfying customer needs and usability. Question 83. During quality planning, the team proposes eliminating inspections to save cost because the process is highly automated. What should the project manager do? A. Accept the proposal immediately. B. Maintain some level of verification. C. Eliminate testing completely. D. Replace automation with manual inspection. The correct answer is B. Maintain some level of verification. Even highly automated systems require verification to confirm process reliability. This is a key aspect of quality assurance. Question 84. A Six Sigma analysis shows the Process Capability Index, CPK, equals 0.7. What does this indicate? A. The process exceeds specification requirements. B. The process is capable. C. The process is not capable of meeting specifications. D. The process is perfectly centered. The correct answer is C. The process is not capable of meeting specifications. A CPK below 1.0 indicates that the process cannot consistently meet specification limits. Question 85. A stakeholder insists on releasing a deliverable despite unresolved quality defects because the deadline is near. What should the project manager do? A. Release the deliverable and fix defects later. B. Escalate the issue through governance channels. C. Ignore the stakeholder request. D. Remove defects from the defect log. The correct answer is B. Escalate the issue through governance channels. When quality is compromised, escalation through governance structures is the appropriate action. Question 86. A project team introduces Poka-yoke mechanisms into the production line. What is the main purpose? A. Increase inspection speed. B. Prevent errors before they occur. C. Increase statistical accuracy. D. Improve reporting. The correct answer is B. Prevent errors before they occur. Poka-yoke is a Japanese term for mistake-proofing the process. Question 87. A scatter diagram shows no correlation between two variables previously suspected to influence defects. What should the team conclude? A. The variables are unrelated to defect occurrence. B. Data collection was incorrect. C. The variables cause defects. D. Inspection is unnecessary. The correct answer is A. The variables are unrelated to defect occurrence. Scatter diagrams are used to determine if a relationship or correlation exists between variables. Question 88. A process improvement initiative reduced defects but significantly increased production costs. What should the project manager evaluate next? The options are schedule variance, cost-benefit trade-off of quality improvements, team performance, or inspection frequency. The correct answer is B. Cost-benefit trade-off of quality improvements. Quality improvements must be economically justified. Question 89. During a quality audit, it is discovered that teams follow different procedures for similar tasks. What is the best corrective action? A. Increase inspections. B. Standardize the processes across teams. C. Replace the teams. D. Increase product tolerance. The correct answer is B. Standardize the processes across teams. Standardization improves consistency and reduces unwanted variation in results. Question 90. A control chart shows 7 consecutive points trending upward but still within limits. What does this indicate? A. Random variation. B. Normal process behavior. C. A potential process shift requiring investigation. D. Perfect process capability. The correct answer is C. A potential process shift requiring investigation. A trend of 7 points in one direction suggests non-random special cause behavior, even if still within control limits. Question 91. A supplier delivers components with minor defects that require frequent rework. What is the most effective long-term solution? A. Increase incoming inspections. B. Collaborate with the supplier to improve their process. C. Reject all shipments. D. Increase internal tolerance limits. The correct answer is B. Collaborate with the supplier to improve their process. Working with suppliers addresses the upstream root cause for long-term quality improvement. Question 92. A team wants to ensure that customer requirements are translated into measurable product features. Which tool should be used? A. Control chart. B. Quality function deployment. C. Histogram. D. Scatter diagram. The correct answer is B. Quality function deployment. QFD, or the House of Quality, is used to translate the voice of the customer into technical specifications. Question 93. A defect discovered by a customer leads to warranty claims and brand damage. What type of cost is this? A. Internal failure cost. B. Appraisal cost. C. Prevention cost. D. External failure cost. The correct answer is D. External failure cost. Failures and associated costs discovered after the product or service has been delivered to the customer are external failure costs. Question 94. A project manager introduces continuous improvement meetings every 2 weeks. What methodology is this aligned with? A. Waterfall. B. Lean/Kaizen. C. Critical chain. D. Monte Carlo. The correct answer is B. Lean/Kaizen. Kaizen focuses on continuous, incremental improvement, often through regular meetings and workshops. Question 95. A project team analyzes defect causes and finds that 80% come from poor requirements documentation. What should be prioritized? A. Increased testing. B. Improved requirements management process. C. Increased inspection. D. Increased schedule buffer. The correct answer is B. Improved requirements management process. Since the root cause is poor documentation, this is where corrective action must be focused. Question 96. A process produces extremely consistent results, but the outputs are slightly outside specification limits. What should the team do? A. Reduce inspection. B. Recenter the process mean. C. Increase tolerance limits. D. Ignore the issue. The correct answer is B. Recenter the process mean. When outputs are precise but inaccurate, the process mean must be adjusted to align with the specification target. Question 97. A process shows excellent capability but frequent variation caused by operator practices. What should the project manager implement? A. Process automation. B. Training and standardized procedures. C. Increased inspection. D. Increased sampling. The correct answer is B. Training and standardized procedures. Inconsistency caused by human factors is best addressed through training and establishing standard operating procedures. Question 98. A project introduces automated quality monitoring using machine learning. What is the primary advantage? A. Reduced documentation. B. Early defect detection through predictive analysis. C. Elimination of inspections. D. Elimination of testing. The correct answer is B. Early defect detection through predictive analysis. The primary advantage of predictive quality analytics is detecting potential defects earlier. Question 99. A project manager notices that defect rates increase whenever production volume increases. What should be investigated first? A. Relationship between workload and process capability. B. Employee salaries. C. Marketing strategy. D. Product design. The correct answer is A. Relationship between workload and process capability. Increased volume may stress the process beyond its capable limits, leading to higher defects. Question 100. Senior management asks the project manager to reduce quality costs by eliminating prevention activities. What is the best response? A. Agree and remove prevention processes. B. Explain that prevention reduces total quality cost. C. Increase inspection instead. D. Reduce testing. The correct answer is B. Explain that prevention reduces total quality cost. Prevention costs are an investment that drastically lowers failure costs, improving the total cost of quality. Thanks for watching Quality Management Part 5. Comment your score out of 100 below. The next series will cover resource management. Like, subscribe, and continue your journey.